Well, hello there, my little geometricians. I don't think that's a word. We're working on geometry anyway. Geometry students, maybe. Oh, well. So, as you saw in the lesson today, we're constructing triangles. So, we want to construct triangles with certain length sides. And, well, that's hard for you to do at home, isn't it? So, unless you've got rulers and protractors, and there's an easier way to do it. And we'll do it online with a couple cool programs. So in your slides today, if you will click on this first one first, Khan Academy, it'll take you to this website right here. And what we are going to do is follow the directions and scroll down. And it says drag the vertices of the triangle below. Remember, vertices are the corners. To draw a right triangle with additional angles of 30 and 60. So we've got to make a right triangle, which would have one angle of 90 degrees, and the other two angles must be 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So I'm just going to drag this top corner. You can pick any vertex you want. I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to pull it straight to make that corner 90 right here. Okay, I've got 90 degrees. Now, I've got to have one angle 60 degrees and one 30. So I think I'm going to pull out this and see if that makes it smaller. Well, I guess I could go all the way to 30, couldn't I? Okay, 30. Okay, so in that right triangle with additional angles of 30 degrees and 60 degrees, I did it. So I'm going to click check. Yay, got it. Okay, so that's how you're going to do this one. You're just going to drag the corners. It may tell you to make a length of some sides. It may tell you to make a right triangle or an obtuse triangle. You just got to read the top and follow the directions, okay? All right, so that's one of the ways you're going to practice constructing triangles today. Let's go back to our lesson. The second one is called Flex Books. So we're going to construct some triangles with this website also. It's a little different. So we scroll down here and we go try it. Okay, now it says, can you make a triangle with side lengths of 3, 4, and 5 centimeters? Drag the red points to construct a triangle. The side lengths around the nearest hundredth. There's some directions down below. Okay, so reset the interactive. That's this button. Yes, we want to reset it. Create a side length of 3 by dragging the green point to the right. So we're going to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, create a side length of 4 by dragging the blue point down. Go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's 4. All right. Then try to keep this length as close to 4 as possible while dragging the blue point up and to the left. So it wants us to keep it close to 4 while we're dragging it up to the left. Oh, try to keep it close to 4. Whew, that's hard. What's happening to the triangle? Well, it's kind of getting, look at the triangle shape as we go down through here. It's getting skinnier for sure. This side doesn't change. This side and this side length changes. Okay. So this side length decreases. It's where we're supposed to keep it near 4, aren't we? Okay, and this side, the higher you pull it up, it really increases. Okay, so let's see. Select all the apply. The length of the side that measured 5 gets smaller. Let's go back to where we were. No, it doesn't get smaller. The red angle becomes acute. Let's see if that red angle becomes acute. No, it becomes obtuse. So no. The length of the side that measured 5 gets larger. Yep, we saw that. The red angle becomes obtuse. Yeah, it's an obtuse angle when we keep it at 4. So I think it's those two. We're going to click check it. Yeah, and so we got it right. And then you'll click next, and you'll do the same thing again. Just look down below. Down here, it'll tell you the directions, okay? So after you click next. So that's 2 ways you're going to construct triangles today and answer some questions about it. Have fun doing it. This is like little computer programs that similar to things you might use if you were working in industry somewhere, making maybe designing some car parts or something like that. And you might use this in the factory in the future, some program like this. So, all right, if you're an engineer, maybe. So go get to work on this and learn about how to construct some triangles. See you later.